Hi everyone, welcome back to the BME Prep. Today's video we will be focusing on ceramics. Ceramics are made up of metallic and non-metallic elements, and their main primary bond is ionic due to the differences in electronegativity between the atoms that make up a ceramic. The example shown here is between a sodium atom with a chlorine atom. Examples of ceramics include glass, tiles, pottery, porcelain, bricks, and cement. In terms of biomedical engineering applications, ceramics can be used for things such as bone replacements, X-ray tubes, and dental screws. The properties of ceramics include that they are hard and strong, brittle yet durable, thermal insulators, non-magnetic, and chemically inert, meaning that they do not react with other chemicals or materials. One way in which ceramics can be synthesized is through the process of heating crushed mineral powders formed into the shape that is desired, and another word for this process is sintering. The advantages of such a process are that the unsintered remaining powder can be used again in another project, it is a relatively cheap and fast process, and there are a wide variety of different materials that can be sintered. Disadvantages to this type of process are that a large amount of material is needed to start the process, and depending on the machine you have available can limit the size of the products you can develop. And finally, this process occurs at high temperatures, which can lead to more and more energy costs as well. As far as biomedical engineering is concerned with ceramics, they play an important role in providing inert or neutral materials that can interact with the human body, as well as provide extra strength to products and materials that are under lots of stress and strain from the body, such as within a hip or knee implant. Thank you so much for listening to today's video on ceramics. I hope you took away the importance of ceramics within the field of biomedical engineering as a biomaterial. Next week, we will be talking about metals. I will see you then. Bye!